So now what I would like to do is to create some lines here that connect to these individual parts of this circle, and we will write stuff on these lines. So let's do that. Let's insert a line starting from here, okay? And then we do the same and we make a straight line. Something like this, but obviously I want to make it more beautiful. So let's start with this one. Right click, format shape. First of all, make it wider. Let's make 1.75 points, for example. And then click here at begin arrow type and select this here. As you can see, it created a little square here. Let's make it bigger. You can choose the size here. Right. So you see now this is bigger. Now let's make also the width here the same. Yeah, 1.75. Okay. However, I would like it to be different color from any of those. So let's select, for example, some kind of gray, if it fits, of course. If it doesn't, okay, I'll try this one. Okay, so my idea is to basically put this like this here, but behind. So you don't see this square here, so it seems that it's going out of it. First of all, let's position it perfectly. You know what? I will change the color of this thing so you actually see it better just for now. So let's put it white. Yeah, that's much better. So what I want to do is that these corners here fit perfectly, almost perfectly, this arc. So I need to rotate it like this, as you can see, rotating it. Now I put it down. It seems more or less correct. Now let's connect these two lines here and do the color of this one again as we did before. And the good thing is that all what I need to do is to put this one behind. So send to back. And now it seems as if this little triangle here was sort of connected, you see, like a tether to this place. We just need to move slightly this one so you don't see the separation. All right, like this. So let's do all of these lines for each of these arcs. However, in order to make it more beautiful, we should start with the bottom one, and you will see why I'm doing that. So start by copying just this little part here. Oops. Okay. Then go down here and place it the same way here. Let's try to be almost as where the other one was. Send to back. Okay, so we have our connector. Now let's copy this line, connect it to it. So this one seems a bit bigger. Let's make it smaller. All right, so now you see visually they seem coherent. So the next step is to copy 3 times this line just to place them here, wherever, because then they will connect here. But let's make them at the right distance from each other. So since we have this top one here and this bottom one placed here, all what we need to do is to select all of them, then go on Format, Align, and set Distribute Vertically. Now the distance between each of these lines is exactly the same. And from now on, we can connect them. So let's do this. All right, as you can see, some things are not perfect, so you need to arrange them by zooming in. So this one you can put slightly higher. Now it seems good. This one here is probably not long enough. Okay, let's move this line on the right a bit. All right. Okay, this one also here isn't perfect. This one down here. I just move them on the left with the keyboard for now. This one still doesn't look good. Let's put it a bit up. Okay, even if I put it slightly higher, you know, it doesn't matter. Visually, you cannot see the difference. It's just 1 pixel higher, not a big deal.